Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhome's Devon branch on a wet November day, yet we are still out here fighting the good fight to procure you, our lucky customers, all the nicest, most loveliest new and second-hand motorhomes in the industry. And this one is worth getting wet for. It's just come in, it's still in the car park as you can see. It's a 2021 automatic Bailey Adamo 69/4, and it's a really good one as well. So Bailey, been building caravans since 1927, motorhome since 2011. The Adamo range came out in 2020 to great acclaim. And what Bailey do, and I don't think they'd be unashamed of me saying it, is basically to take European ideas, put a British twist onto them, and yeah, and that's where they go. And the 69/4 has been a tremendous success. So it's a homage to the Chausson 640. So it's a 7-metre end washroom garage drop down bed, 4-berth, better for 2, basically big, spacious, comfortable. Bailey put the door in the UK side to give you an option for a microwave that this one has, and they have a more soft, comfortable sort of interior that we in the British market sometimes like. Oven at a good spot, things like that, bigger kitchen. So this one is 21 plate. It's done 13,500 miles. They're full transit based, 170 brake engine. This one has got the desirable 6-speed fully automatic gearbox, which is an absolute peach. It's 6.99 meters long. It's 2.35 wide. It'll be about 2.9 tall. Price is 56,995, which I think, with the condition and the spec of it, makes it's got to be the best one in the country. I had a quick look on Auto Trader just now. There's one at a smaller northern dealer that's slightly cheaper, but it's not got the awning, and it can't be as nice as this, can it? This is just spectacular. So let's have a little look around it. So we've got silver cab, looks great. Malenko mirror guards over the top of the electrically adjustable and heated Ford wing mirrors. 16-inch alloy wheels, clear double glazing all the way around. Awning was optional on these, so this has got one, 3.5 metre Fiamma F45 wind out awning. Mains hookup, leisure battery. Only thing I haven't ascertained is whether it has a solar panel. I couldn't quite get to the right angle, so we'll let you know about that if you inquire about it. Centrally locked habitation door. We've got the step built in and a LED awning light above. Fridge vent for your big 3-way fridge freezer. Bathroom window. Toilet cassette dump point. Water fill up point. So Bailey's used what I would sort of call a caravan style water system. So it's got an underslung 100-litre fresh tank, similar size waste tank, and the only difference is you use the hose that comes with it. So these are a food standard pressurised water system. So you can see the hose there. It's got that end on it, so that end plugs into here. And if you're on a pitch with a tap, you just leave the tap on, you've got mains water supply. It's food standard, pressure regulated, and you can get, if you prefer, if you're going to a festival or something like that where you can't get to the tap, well, this has got power built into it, so you can get the shorter ones, which the caravanners use to go into an aqua roll, suck water aboard from things. So it has its plus sides. Not really necessary, but all Baileys have it. A lot of British manufacturers fitted it. So we've got big front lounge with a king size drop down bed above, and at the back we've got a garage where you'll fit 2 bikes quite easily. So you've got tie down points in there, you've got an awning light, we've got some straps there to keep your awning handle and other things in. Previous owners put them in. I do like this little cupboardy bit, that's good. You can see all freshwater tanks inboard, that's good, stop it freezing up. But generally they're underneath on British vans. We've got the central rafter for the wind out awning, that wasn't standard. No spare wheel on these, but they do come with the injector run flat kit. And there's a mains and a 12-volt socket and heater vent in the garage as well. Also got an alarm, because I can see an alarm sensor there. We don't check or guarantee alarms, but we will leave that on there. Pre-fitted for a bike rack around the back. Baileys are built using Alutech. Alutech means the walls are plastic, the interior walls are plastic. There's sandwich insulation in the middle, the only wood is in the floor, so the only risk of damp in a Bailey is the floor. So you still need to get your habitation checks done. We'll obviously supply it with a clean one of them, but you've got less areas to worry about damp, and it also makes the structure lighter, no wood frame, and stronger. They put a car on the roof of one as a publicity stunt when they first built them. High level reversing camera up there, corner condition check. Yeah, very, very good. Van's immaculate. It's been driven down from Berkshire by the previous owner who part exchanged it. He just downsized to a van conversion. So he's moving down into the South Hams where the narrowness was going to be handy, which is understandable. So the far side of the garage has got a full height storage locker there with a hanging rail, good for your waterproofs, because you've also got a whatever that's called. What's that called? A drain vent, whatever you call it, in the bottom there. Going around the offside, we've got a gas locker for 2 gas bottles and the flue for your Truma gas and electric heating system. It's got an Aldi flue on it. It's not got Aldi. The Adamos don't have Aldi, so I reckon that must be the replacement flue cover. I didn't really. Anyway, we'll see when we go inside. I wasn't aware that Aldi heating was available as an option on Adamo. I thought they were Truma. I might be wrong. Anyway, we'll have a look. So half leatherette cab seat covers. Colour scheme is very, very modern. All sort of two-tone greys and things. Very nice. Reversing camera monitor up there, little basic Ford stereo in the middle, does your Bluetooth for your phone calls and stuff like that. 6-speed silky smooth auto gearbox, air conditioning, cruise control, auto headlights, all the nice stuff. Looks like it's got or had a Vodafone alarm on it because it's got a Vodafone alarm sticker on it. So let's come around to the inside and do some investigating. This van is absolutely mint. I mean, like, proper mint. It really is a credit to the previous owners. So when I asked my valets if they had a chance to wash it off on the outside before, which unfortunately they don't until next week, but they won't need to touch this inside. It is absolutely spectacular. So centrally locked habitation door with a bin and a flyer screen across there. Then you step into, there goes the previous owner with his panel van. This is how quick we do these videos, folks. You know, previous owners actually still on site and we're out here videoing the vans so we can get them up on YouTube hopefully for the weekend. So anyway, stop rabbiting. So come inside, very, very comfortable, very, very comfy. Nice thick cloth seats, window surround, electric table goes up and down there, electric bed drops down there. No curtains, you got these upholstered window surrounds instead, which are better. Like the little bits to put your tea on there. Reading spot lamps are good news. Microwave plates. So it is Truma blown air heating, so someone's that uses the same vent as the Aldi. Someone's obviously replaced it with an Aldi vent, but it's all the same cover anyway. 2 main sockets, controls for your gas and electric Truma blown air heating. This one's got the optional microwave up high. Big kitchen, as you can see, plenty of storage space there, and your big 3-piece ovens. You've got 3 gas burners, 1 electric, separate grill, separate oven. Proper clean van. This is so nice. They did have a dog, but you wouldn't be able to tell. It's got no smell of dog, no smell of anything really. It's really, really, really clean van. Big tray there. Opposite that, it's nice when they have the carpets down. Obviously we have to take the carpets up because they get messed up on the pitch, but they feel so much nicer with the carpets down. Big fridge freezer up there. TV bracket, you can pull it out. Light switches as you come in the door. Nice, easy to use push button control panel. And then at bedtime, simply, oh no, that's the table. So you've got electric table, and at bedtime you press your down button and your big bed drops down, and of course won't go back up again because it's run out of leisure battery power. Why did I do that? Yeah, well, you wouldn't normally do that. Underneath these, 2 flip up forward facing agouti seat belted seats. For those of you who like the Choson 640 range, this is very similar to it. It's just got to say that British take on it. I do like the all plastic construction, that's very good. Doesn't mean it can't spring a leak if a seal goes, but you'll just get water appearing, which is better than water that's causing damp. Now to the back of the van, you've got a big bathroom. So we've got a big nice freestanding basin, Hollywood-ish mirror, big window, perfect toilet, and a massive separate shower on that side. Then access through into your garage, and then a really big internal storage cupboard as well there, and that's huge, isn't it, to be fair. Now what can we find back here? So we've got your TV aerial, air control point, and a max view roam. Oh, that's Wi-Fi. That max view roam is Wi-Fi, so someone's fitted a Wi-Fi system. Now that again, it's an aftermarket audio visual bit of kit. We won't guarantee it, but it's there, and that's a bonus worth £500 to £700 depending on which roam it is, so that's really good. Nice. Can't see anything that says anything about a solar panel. Can't 100% tell you that it doesn't have one. This is what's up there. I can't see what's up there. Nothing solar panel regulatorish there. It's interesting actually, that bit of trim there. So that's the bracket for the Aliatech build basically up there. So you can see how it's all clamped together. So you've got side to side, and then they just tighten those up, clamps the whole van together, and that goes over the top, makes it very easy for running wiring, which is good. So this is the 2021 Bailey Adamo 69/4 in stock now, 56995 Highbridge Motorhomes, Devon. It's automatic, it's got the awning, microwave, alarm and Wi-Fi. Give us a call on 01626 832 792, or call the mobile, or text or WhatsApp the mobile 07432 662 558. Email direct to jw4@highbridgecaravans.co.uk. Check us on the Highbridge Caravans website. Come and see us just off the A38 at Newton Abbot, Devon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.